And this song, they particularly emotional to myself and Nice because I remember the day when Nice they record this song. He cried. When he told me the meaning of the song, I cried. So when we won't do this song, I need people who be say they don't experience the kind thing we will talk about. I know just one person will be say life don't dey good too. We no go fit explain.
We no go
the
understand.
pain. So the first person will come my mind that time, na Bella. Ayo Maff. I don't dey observe Ayo Maff for a while.
Ayo Maff, yes.
Let me tell me, say, bros, get another boy where they come out from wood saying one make I hear him. I hear the boy that night. I call Ola. I say, this boy gets crazy, very unique talent. Oh. I go reach out to him on top Instagram. The response with the boy give me, I won't cry. Say, at least finally, I don't see one Gen Z with they on.
When he heard they correct.
When he say, they very camp. I was very happy. Then for the Ajebo Hustlers, I don't also they follow the Ajebo Hustlers.
Chook pounds. 95.1 Wazobia.